2013 Chrysler 200. This sedan combines safety and comfort with style and performance. You'll enjoy first-class features that create a premium environment, such as satellite radio, heated side view mirrors, power driver seat, pass-through rear seat, power outlet, auto climate control, keyless entry, front bucket seats, steering wheel audio controls, engine immobilizer, automatic headlights, auxiliary input, aluminum wheels, leather-wrapped steering wheel, stability control. Call us. We'll help you take home your favorite vehicle.